Welcome to the Celsius Crypto Card Review Usage Experience. If you want to explore more or sign up, I've added links to the product in the description below. In this video, I'll walk you through the features of the Celsius Crypto Card, my hands-on experience, and who can benefit the most from this product. The Celsius Crypto Card is designed to provide crypto holders with easy access to their digital assets without selling them, making it an attractive option for those who want to maintain their long-term holdings while still enjoying liquidity. This card is backed by the Celsius Network, a well-known platform in the crypto space for its lending and borrowing services. The Celsius card stands out because it allows users to spend crypto-backed loans instead of converting crypto to cash, which is perfect for those who want to avoid triggering taxable events. Essentially, you can collateralize your Bitcoin or other supported cryptocurrencies and use the borrowed funds with the card, while still holding onto your crypto assets. This card is particularly beneficial for crypto investors who believe in the long-term appreciation of their assets, but still want to tap into the value of their portfolio. The setup process is simple through the Celsius app. You can instantly manage your funds, monitor your crypto collateral, and make payments without hidden fees. The interest rates on the borrowed funds depend on how much collateral you lock up, and they can be significantly lower if you choose to pay interest in the platform's native token, CEL. Security is another strength of the Celsius card. The app features multiple layers of protection, including 2FA and biometric authentication, ensuring that your assets remain safe. Moreover, there are no monthly fees, transaction fees, or card issuance fees, which is a huge plus. The Celsius card is ideal for experienced crypto enthusiasts who want to use their assets strategically while keeping their long-term investments intact. It's also great for individuals who prefer not to cash out their crypto but still need spending power. If you want to leverage your crypto without losing exposure, the Celsius Crypto Card is worth considering. For more details, check out the links below.